Hey everyone, it's Nitty from I Hear You, and today I'm just going to be showing you how I do some simple and easy highlights. So I'm not going to be highlighting the whole entire wig, I'm only going to be doing the top portion of the wig. So I'm going to go ahead and part that off and then tie up the back. And I'm going to be starting with 30 developer. So I'm going to take some bleaching powder and mix it with some 30 developer. And then I'm going to work with small sections, and I'm going to be doing the in and out weaving technique. So I'm just taking a small section, and then I'm going to take the tail end of my brush and do that in and out weaving technique. I'm just going to place it on top of some piece of foil and just start spreading that bleach all over the section. I also make sure to turn my brush vertically to make sure that I'm getting the bleach all into the hair, and to break up that line at the top of the hair by the foil, the top of the foil, just so I don't have that harsh line at the top. And you can see here where I turned my brush vertically just to break up that line. You want to make sure you have a nice transition with the color. And this is an easy way to do some highlights, especially if you're a new wig maker like I am and you're looking for different styles to offer. You can start with a nice simple style like this. My clients like it. I've made this style quite a few times. It's really easy to do and it looks really nice. And you can make your sections as big or as small as you like. I do both big and small sections throughout the hair. Okay, so when I start to work on the closure, I'm going to mix some more bleaching powder with 40 developer. I'm going to use 40 developer on the top because I want lighter streaks on the top. And I parted off a little patch in the front. I'm going to bleach that first because I want that little patch in the front to be lighter than the other streaks. So I'm going to bleach that whole entire patch. So I can have those nice light strips on the side. And then when I'm done with this patch, I'm just going to go back to the in and out weaving technique for the rest of the closure. When I'm finished with each section, I like to go back to where I started, open up the foil, and just take my brush and go over the patch up here with the bleach, and just add more, a little bit more if I need to. I don't want any like blotchy spots on my section, so I do that to each section. And this is the next day. My wig is dry and I am just styling it. I'm just straightening out the hair. That's how my highlights look. It came out really nice. I have the lighter patch in the front the way I wanted it. And I'm just going to finish styling this wig. And I like this wig. It's a nice everyday wig. I made it with a 4x4 closure. So it's a glueless unit, and yeah. And this is how she looked when I was all finished with her. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Until next time.